Hi everybody, this is Bill with Raybuck Auto Body Parts, and today we're going to do something a little fun, kind of different on the channel, and we're going to unbox this Super 73 e-bike that I bought. I ordered this bike a few months ago, towards the beginning of August, and due to all the shipping delays that have been going on now, I just received it last week, which was middle of October. So what we're going to do is we're going to unbox this, take a look at it, check it out. It's pretty neat. I'll give you some information about the bike itself, and then what we're going to do after that is I actually have some sort of upgraded parts or sort of custom parts that I want to add to this, and I'm going to do a quick video showing you changing out the handlebars and just a couple other little neat things. So let's get to it. Now I already undid some of the strapping on this and took a look at it when it was delivered. I just wanted to make sure it wasn't damaged. So that's why it's so easy for me to open right now. What's really cool about this battery is they gave it a pretty neat shape, made it sort of look like a gas tank on an old school motorcycle, and it's nice because it's removable. You can bring it in the house to recharge it, and it actually has a lock on it, so it locks into place, and that's what it looks like on the bike. They also give you a couple different attachment points here for water bottles and baskets and things like that, and they also give you the option to move this battery down to the frame like so and give it a little bit lower center of balance, which I may do at some point in time here, but not today. But this is it. This is the Super 73. It does come with pedals. That's the next thing we have to install. But this is a Super 73 S2. It's a 750 kilowatt motor on the back of it. I'm sorry, 750 watt motor on the back of it. It's graded as a Class 2 e-bike, so it does have a couple different modes on it, but in the first two modes, this does make it legal to ride like on the bike trail here in Pittsburgh. It will not exceed 20 miles an hour with pedal assist, but they do have some modes in there that you can unlock, and once those modes are unlocked, you can use full thumb throttle, and they say that this will get up to around 30 miles an hour, or maybe a little faster, 37 miles an hour or so, they say. I have yet to try it out, so once I do that and I get a couple videos of us riding it down at the shop, I can give you a better idea of what the actual top speed is. So that's the bike. You can see these are the standard handlebars that come with it. These are really nice. They help you stay in an upright seated position. You know, if you have back problems or anything like that, it's a lot more comfortable. But just to make this kind of look a little more old school, I'm going to replace the handlebars. And the handlebars I'm going to use are pretty neat. So give me a second here and I'll show you what I'm talking about. Here are the handlebars I want to install. They're pretty neat, old school 1970s motocross handlebars. And they actually belong to this bike in the background here. A little more about this bike later on in the video. I'll talk about another project that we're going to start here on the channel. But yeah, these handlebars actually belong to this old Yamaha JT1 mini enduro bike that we'll be talking about a little bit later on. And as you can see, I actually went on eBay, the evils of eBay. I found some new old stock, old school button-on vinyl Nerf bar cover. So I think that's pretty cool. I think it's going to give it that look. I also found a pair of old school motorcycle grips. These are new old stock as well, but these look like the old enduro motorcycle grips. The only problem is one is for a twist throttle. So I'm going to have to figure out a way to make up some space on the handlebars, or to take up some additional space on that side, since it's no longer going to be a twist throttle, it's going to be a thumb throttle on this bike. So any ideas, or anybody have any ideas of doing that, maybe leave some comments below, and I can try that out, take a look at those, and give it a try. I also got this side view mirror. This is an original side view mirror from the 70s. I think it's from a moped, but I thought it looked kind of cool, and I'm going to install that at some point here. And I also bought some back foot pegs for it. And in the back, you'll see, again, eBay. I found this chrome chain guard that's probably from a Schwinn, I think. Has a little bit of rust on it, which isn't a problem. I plan on clear coating over that, just leaving it looking original. But what I think was going to be neat is having the chrome handlebars on the blue bike. There's no other chrome really on this bike, and I thought it might be neat to add another little touch using that chain guard. So let me get this phone back on the holder, and we can start installing some of this stuff right now. you have it. The new handlebars are on. I haven't replaced the chain guard yet. It looks like there's going to be some small adjusting I need to do to that old chain guard in order to get it to fit. But I'll give you a look at what that's going to look like here. So they did charge it slightly before they shipped, I'm guessing just to check the battery. Bike powered on. Not sure if you can see the heads-up display that they give you right here that adjusts your different modes that you have available to you. It also shows your speed, also shows your range that's left on your battery. It looks like this battery is half full as far as range right now. But right now it's in mode 1. That's just a pedal assist mode with some thumb throttle capability. I think it only goes up to about 18 miles an hour. And then there is a mode 2 on this. There's all the way up to mode 4, which is they call unlimited. Mode 4 is typically thumb throttle only, and that will get you up to your fastest speeds. But again, I'm going to get this battery charged up. I'm going to take this into the shop one day, and I'm going to get some videos of all the guys at the shop. We're going to ride around the parking lot a little bit, so stay tuned for that. You can see that it does work right now. So, good to see that. I might upgrade the seat on this at some point in time, get a slightly different seat for it. Again, I might move the battery tray around, I'm not sure. But for now, it's going to be a neat little bike to ride into work in the mornings. Maybe get a couple videos of taking it down the trail, getting into work in the morning. So stay tuned for that. So, as I mentioned at the beginning of the video, we're going to discuss this small bike here. This is a project I started a few weeks ago in conjunction with the e-bike that I ordered on Super 73. And what I'm going to do is, I've stripped this bike down. This is an old 1971 JT1 mini enduro bike. I've stripped it down, and I anticipate turning this into an e-bike as well. And it's going to have a slightly bigger motor. Again, on the Super 73, that was a 750 watt motor. We're going to put a 5,000 watt hub motor. The hub motor is already sort of mocked up here on the swing arm. The problem is there are some brackets and things that I need to fabricate to get this to work. I really was just putting this on in the front, the new front tire, to make sure that it was going to fit on the bike and everything. It is a little bit smaller bike, so I had a little issue with some of the different sizing and things like that. So if you're interested in seeing that project, stay tuned. If you have any comments to make or any suggestions regarding the mini cafe racer bike that we're going to put together here in the near future, leave comments below. And thanks for watching. Please remember to like and subscribe if you like this content, and we'll see you in the next video.